Hello friends! Today we're going to make a paper puppy puppet. That's a lot of P's in one sentence. So a paper puppy puppet. And what you'll need is a pencil to draw out your ears, a glue stick, some scissors, a red piece of paper, or you can use a white piece of paper that's colored red, or you can color whatever color you like, or any color paper. We're going to use this for his tongue, but you can use his imagination. I've got two googly eyes here, but if you want, you can draw them on with your crayon or marker. And this is a piece of thin cardboard paper, kind of bristle board type paper that I got out of some packaging that I'm just reusing. Same with this tissue, it came from a gift. I'm just going to reuse that as well. And then we have our white paper. And this will be the head of our puppet. We're just going to start by drawing out our puppy ears. So I'm just going to fold this over in half. And we'll just draw a set of ears. You can make them whatever shape you like. The reason I folded them over is I'm going to cut out two at once. So there we have, maybe we can use that for another craft. And we have a set of ears. So we'll put that with the tongue here, and we can just cut out the tongue. So we'll just start here and just kind of go around to a roundish tip and then come back up to the top. You can make your tongue whatever shape you like. That might be a little bit big. I might have to trim that down. We'll see. So next we're going to take our paper, we're going to fold it into thirds. So we're going to lift this up and fold it over so that it's taking up about a third of the paper. And then just pinch this side down. Then we're going to bring this side over. And how deep you make it is up to you, how big your hands are. So if you get this to reach all the way over here, that's for smaller hands. If you have a wider set hands, then you just make this opening a little bit bigger and you might pinch it here instead. So you do that to whatever size your hand is. And next, we're going to flip it over and fold it in half this way. Crease that down. Then we're going to take just one of these folds and bend it back. And then flip it over and do the same to this side. So now it'll be kind of like an accordion. And if you look at this side, you've got two holes, and that's where you're going to put your fingers. And that will make your mouth. So next we can glue on all of our pieces. So we can just put some glue on there. And this is where our hand goes in. Maybe I'll put it on this side. So you put the ears up by the opening where our hands go in. I just want mine to kind of match. There we go. Some glue on there. I got some glue on my counter, so I'm just gonna wipe that up. And then put some glue on the tongue. Gently, because it's tissue paper, it might rip. So I'm gonna leave it hanging out just a little bit. And next I'm going to put on the eyes, but I think I want to give him a little patch. So I'm just going to kind of go around. It doesn't matter if it's perfect or a certain shape. It's your puppy. You can make it whatever you'd like. Let's do it on this side. And then we'll put some glue on the back of our googly eyes. And if you don't have googly eyes, that's where you can draw. Just use your pencil or your crayon and draw an eye on there. The other thing we forgot about was his nose. So I am going to draw on a puppy nose with my marker. You can cut out a piece of paper for that as well. What do you think a puppy nose looks like? You can make it whatever shape you think a puppy nose looks like. And now you've made your puppy. You can just put your thumb in and then your fingers, and you have a puppy friend. Have fun playing with your puppy. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.